Hello, I'm Stuart Clark. I'm a Senior Developer Advocate here at Spotify. Most engineering leaders face the same frustrating problems, getting a clear view of their organisation's software tech health. Critical information sits scattered across dozens of different tools and dashboards. This makes it nearly impossible to prioritise what needs fixing first. Today, I'm going to show you tech insights in Soundcheck and how this solves it by aggregating tech health data into one unified dashboard which is specifically designed for leadership and decision making. Let me show you exactly how this works with a real scenario. Tracks have been set up to help teams with tech health initiatives and migrations, and I need to understand how teams in my organisation are progressing so I know where to focus my efforts. Here is our new Tech Insights tab with a dedicated badge. I can immediately see this is optimized for leadership views, showing lowest to highest compliance by default, which is perfect for surfacing problem areas really quickly. I can use the group selector to focus on the right part of my organization. It shows my previously selected groups, lets me traverse the hierarchy, and I can also search by department or team type. This is crucial when you're dealing with large organizations. Now I'm looking at some initiatives and migrations. I can see the main view summarizes tracks and checks and campaigns for my selected groups and all of its subgroups. Looking here at the tracks, I can immediately spot issues. Some of these compliance percentages are quite low and showing in red. The color gradient from red to green makes the status immediately clear. If I want to focus on this particular track specifically, I can search or filter by the track name to focus on what matters to me most. Looking at this track, I can see concerning compliance levels. Let me click into this to see what's happening. Perfect. Now I have a detailed compliance view broken down by the team. I can instantly see the tasks the teams are excelling and where the team needs my attention. Look at this breakdown. This team needs some support as they're not performing well. Let me drill down into the underperforming team to understand what they're dealing with. I can see the total number of entities owned by this specific team and all the checks applicable to this track. From here, I can jump directly into the Track Insights page, filtered by this specific team for even deeper analysis. While the ability to view a Track Insights is an existing function, what I am noticing here is that it gives me a seamless path from high-level overview to actionable details. Now I have everything I need as a leader. I know exactly which team needs my help and what they're struggling with, and I can take targeted action to now support them. This is how Tech Insights transforms leadership decision making. Instead of hunting through scattered dashboards, you can get immediate visibility into software components, including health and enabling faster decision making and stronger engineering excellence across all of your teams. One unified dashboard takes you from organizational overview directly into specific actionable insights.